Alright, so this is a friendly amendment video. Basically a video that I need to put in place into the past. So I'm into the future of the actual series now, but I wanted to make a change in the past. So that's what the 0.5 represents on the number schema there on the front of the video. So this friendly amendment is just showing you something just in case I have an audience that has used the UDK before. Let's say they used the UDK and they're used to the average player height to be 96 units tall, which I'm going to be showing you that's kind of an arbitrary number because, you know, as things change, you should not just rely on just that as the law of scale. You should know how that law exists and how things like scale to a software packet relate to scale in an engine. So I'm going to be showing you the complete breakdown of how to find scale and how change occurs. But that's in the next video-ish to come. Here is what you need to know. If you are a developer in the UDK and just stumbled upon this series, well, you'll know that at one point in time things changed, and now if I say play from here, you'll see that that character right there represents the actual true height of a character, but my character, the one I'm running around with, is not the right scale. Or is it? What is the right scale anyway? That's kind of a weird thing to say, right scale. Alright. Scale is the perception of you, the player. Alright, so let's say I needed to go into the past and use an older variation of the build. Well, I could do that. I could go into world properties and go down to game type and change it to UT game. Okay, now when I go to play and play from here, you'll see I have a gun. Ooh. And then I can actually be the same height of the character. In this series, I'm going to be using 5 times 32 as the scale of the character. But if you're part of the older series, let's say you wanted to just kind of know what the scale of the character is, it was 96 units tall. So, and again, scale is kind of an arbitrary thing. It's just, you know, whatever your perception of what scale really is. But you can change it to the past if you wanted to the UT game variation. And you should mess around with a little bit of the other default game types. But other than that, that's default game type in a nutshell. And I just wanted to show you where that switch was. I'll be going on with the series with the 5 times 32 variation of the character. And then if you need the 3 times 32 of the character, that's how you get back to the old world of UT. Alright, so enjoy and have a good one.